Hi guys, in this session we'll learn how to format cells and why it is important. I'll show you in a short time. Now let us see the column GST here, 0.1, 0.12, 0.05, etc., etc. It has been shown. Now let us go to formatting. Suppose we want to format all the cells of this column. I will select the whole column and then say format cells. Obviously GST is a currency, so don't you think it will be better to format it as a currency? So I do that and see this is all now formatted as currency. Similarly, stock cost, if you see here, this is also a currency. So format cells, give it a currency and say okay. Isn't it looking better than previously, more meaningful? This is not the only thing that we can select in a cell. There are various ways of formatting it. Say for example, let us say present stock. This is a quantity. Now various options that are available are format cells. It is general, the way it is you entered, it will just consider that. You can consider number and decimal places. It is not required because it is quantity. And we can make decimal places as 000. So it remains the same. Okay. Another thing is, suppose we select this cell and go to format cells. We have seen how it can be formatted for numbers. Now let us go for alignment. It is horizontal alignment is general. We can ask it, okay, left, and say okay. So see, it is now aligned with the left side of the column. Similarly, you can align it center. So now it is aligned with center. Other things, you can change the font. You can increase the size of the character. You can make it italic, and you can change the color. Now all these facilities are available. Similarly, you can, suppose we see the dates, the same date cells can be formatted in different ways. Say we already know they are dates. There are various ways you can format your date with. So right now it is just the standard format. You can write it like this and see what happens. See, 20th January 2020, like that. So you got the concept that okay, you can format each and every cell the way you want to, and you can set the alignment, you can change colors, etc., etc. Yeah, these basics will be very important for you when you learn the advanced part of Microsoft Excel. So thank you. I'll see you in the next session.